Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardina, and I have a new kit to share with you. This is from Cara Brandon Creations, and this is her new kit called Blushing Blooms. And this is a beautiful kit that we're going to be making something with. And we have a bird in a nest here and some flowers over here, with some newsprint in the back, some flowers in the back. It's a gorgeous kit. Here we have some birds and picture frames and some flowers here. Newsprint in the back. And I have it on ivory paper also, so that changes the color of it a little bit. Here's some pretty rose buds here, with some pink rose, a pink rose here, and some red rose buds here, some pink butterflies here with some lines in the background. And it gives like a mixed media feel on it. So we'll be doing some mixed media probably with it whenever we work with this kit. Here is some flowers here, and has some pink with like typewriter keys here along this side up here. Another beautiful frame up here with some typewriter keys. More newsprint in the back, in the background. Here in the background is a big butterfly, some flowers, and like some music paper with some pink, like a blush pink. Like I said, it's a very beautiful kit. Up here she has some flowers here in a pretty white frame with some newsprint in the back. And this is like a decorative wallpaper in the background. It's real light. Here's another bird. I don't know what kind of birds these are, but they are so pretty. I love them. They're gorgeous. A lot of pink in the background. Another bird's nest with their eggs. Here's some more flowers. Another white picture frame. Some writing in the background. Here's a background page that has some like lightly newsprint in the background that you can use as a background page to write on. Here's a line page with some typewriter keys on it that you can use as a background. Here's an ephemera page with some buttons, some flowers, some picture frames. This looks like some kind of a receipt. This looks like some kind of song and chorus book, it says. So that's pretty. Here's some pink and white cameos. I love cameos. We have some labels, a ticket, a lock with a key shaped like a heart. Here's a long ledger like here. Another ticket here, butterfly. Bird in a nest here. It's called the siskin. And it just tells about that type of bird. But I love those cameos. I love cameos. Here is the pink background with wine paper. Here's the pink with the newsprint as a background. Here's the tags. These are the 6 smaller tags that you'll get in the kit. We have some flowers, birds, typewriter keys, music, excuse me, music print, butterfly, labels. Beautiful, beautiful kit. And here are 3 of the larger tags. And the other 3 larger tags. And this she calls the trinket page. And it has, this is like a dictionary page in the back. And this has all the trinkets, like the cameos, the roses, the locks, the keys. But it's a beautiful kit. It's on sale right now, 50% off in her Etsy store. Just go into Cara Brandon Creations and you can purchase it in her Etsy store at 50% off until the weekend, until Sunday. It's 50% off. It's a beautiful kit. You can use it for, which Valentine's is over, but it would make a beautiful spring kit, make a beautiful summer kit. You can mix it with kits. I mean, it's a gorgeous kit. I mean, it would make a beautiful kit all by itself. You could do lots of things with this kit. It could even be a nature kit with all the birds in it. Add it to other kits to make it a nature kit. It's a very beautiful kit. And she also has a Facebook group called Cara Brandon and Friends, where she does a weekly Friday freebie. And join the Facebook group, and each Friday she puts out a Friday freebie, and you can make something with that Friday freebie and win a 50% coupon if she draws your name when you make something with that. So you need to get on over to Facebook and join her Facebook group called Cara Brandon and Friends. Go over to her Etsy shop and purchase this kit. It's a beautiful kit. I love it. And we are going to make something with it. I am going out of town this weekend for a training, and I will be back Monday. And starting probably Tuesday, we will start doing some process videos on what all we're going to make, and I will show you my new ink powders that I got to play along with this kit. And I hope you all like this kit. Like I said, it's gorgeous. And head on over to Cara's Etsy shop. Purchase this kit while it's 50% off before the weekend ends. And I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. We will have lots of fun on my channel. And I hope you stay with us a while. Thank you to all my current subscribers. Thank you for putting up with me. I hope everyone is healthy and safe. Remember to do your happy thoughts, your smiles, and everything for 10 minutes a day. And I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.